Welcome to GovAI Academy. I'm Dylan Hayden. In these videos, we'll take a look at how AI can revolutionize public sector operations and make you a more effective leader. From enhancing efficiency to improving citizen engagement, we'll discover practical ways to harness AI as a powerful tool in public administration. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in AI for the public sector. Now let's get started. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use AI to set yourself apart from the competition in your job application. You've probably seen AI used to draft a resume or a cover letter, but we're going to take things a bit further. In this example, we'll be using Claude, an advanced AI assistant, to help us through every step of the application process for a high-level government position. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover in this tutorial. We'll start by uploading a resume and analyzing a job description for the position we want. Next, we'll use Claude to craft a compelling cover letter and brief email to submit our application. Then we'll dive into interview preparation using Claude to help us understand the organization better and prepare thoughtful responses. We'll explore how to use AI to analyze organizational structures and propose new ones for newly created position. Finally, we'll develop a comprehensive briefing sheet and a 180-day plan for the new role. Let's begin by uploading our resume. We can just click on the Add Content button, find our resume, and add it in. Now that we've uploaded our resume, let's copy and paste the job description. I recently saw this job posted on LinkedIn for the Director of Performance and Innovation position at the Maryland Department of General Services. Now that we added our resume and copied the job description, let's add our prompt. We're not doing anything complex here, just adding a few basic instructions. So here's our prompt. Read the following job description and resume and draft a cover letter for this position. Now that's not bad. We can refine this cover letter to make it a little bit more unique. Let's try a slightly different prompt to make sure that we're not just copying the language verbatim from our resume. Now we want to ask Claude to draft a brief email to submit our application. And there you have it. Great. We've sent off our application and we found out that we got an interview. Let's use Claude to help us prepare. So let's take a look at the organizational chart. Now, if we go to their organizational chart, which is right here on their website, we can just download a copy of that, which I already did, and we can add that in. So we can, again, add content, add the organizational chart. Oh, interesting. It says, I don't see an Office of Performance and Innovation explicitly listed in this chart. So now that we have that in mind, let's say I don't see performance and innovation in the organizational chart. It seems that this is a newly created position. So now it's giving us some suggestions. So we have this opportunity to make an impact and some potential challenges we might face. These are all things that we want to think about as we start to approach our interview. But now we want to give Claude a little bit more context about the department. So we can go and we can take the About section from their website, copy and paste that. could say, here's the About section from their website for additional context. Again, we're just feeding the AI with some more information that's going to give us better information further down the line. Now that we've given it some additional context, we want to step things up a bit more. Let's ask Claude to create a briefing sheet that can use all the information that we've given it. Let's add some more documentation that we've uncovered as we've researched this position. So, some other things that we found are the most recent annual reports, as well as the 2025 Managing for Results strategic plans from the state of Maryland. Let's go back into Claude, and we've already downloaded these, so we can just add these in. Annual report and Managing for Results. Wow, that's some incredible feedback that it just gave us. It gave us an entire briefing sheet that we can have as a reference as we go into our interview. Since we're assuming this is a new position, let's give it a new prompt. What recommendations might I make regarding the office and its organization? Let's draft a proposed organizational plan for the Office of Performance and Innovation. Wow. So not only did it give us some great insights on the structure of the organization, the team management, and the way we're going to lay things out, but also the functions, some of the initiatives that we might want to implement, a, a prospective timeline, and even key performance indicators that we can use. So now we want to make sure that if we get this job, we really want to hit the ground running. So we're going to ask Claude to draft a 180-day plan for the director with the goals for the office. This will just be a slightly more detailed version of what it gave us within the organizational plan. And there you have it. We've used Claude to assist with every step of the job application process, from crafting a cover letter to preparing for the interview and even planning for success in the new role. Remember, while AI can be an incredibly helpful tool, it's important to review and personalize all the content to ensure it accurately represents you and your unique experiences. By leveraging AI in this way, you can create a more comprehensive and tailored application that truly sets you apart from other candidates. Good luck with your job applications. If you found this content helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on using AI to enhance your professional life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.